Hello again, welcome back all my favorite coder cats and coder kittens. Welcome for another day where I go over the syntax, arguments, and the like for various LSL commands for those who prefer my way of doing it here on Coder Kitty Decoded. So I realized looking through them that I'd covered get position, get and set position, get and set scale, a lot of other factors. I had never covered rotation, which is totally a thing you can do. So we're going to start with say, string, get rotation. So you see rotation comes in a 4 part. I've actually researched why quadrary rotations are a thing, and it actually dives deep into engineering gimbaling. But don't ask me to try to explain to you why that's such a big deal. But we'll just go ahead and get a different rotation here, just so we get something a little more dynamic. There we go. Because of its complexity, the easiest way to work with set rotation is just to use a get rotation. So now I go ahead and the funny thing is you get a basic 3-part rotation right there. But as you see, that automatically restores whatever pre-programmed rotation there is, but the one you plug in has to be in quadrary rotation. The one you can look at on the edit parameters is in classic 3-point vector rotation. If I don't forget about it, I will show you there is a command to convert quadrary to vector and back next week if I don't forget to show it to you. But that is it for this week's Coder Kitty Decoded. Good day, good week, good luck, happy scripting, meow.